He's hitting the road, coffee in hand, exploring construction, it'll be grand. Welcome to the show, he'll be your guide to building better across the countryside. Get ready for the Pile Drive.
All right, we are back in the car today for episode 2. Today we're going to be talking about how long does it take to install my helical pile foundation. If there's one thing we all seem to be short on these days, it's time, and that is especially true in the construction industry where getting things done fast is one of the primary concerns. So a fair question to ask, and one that I hear all the time, is how long does it actually take to install a helical pile foundation? First things first, some context is useful here because knowing how long a helical pile foundation takes depends on how many piles there is to install, obviously. So installing 10 piles will be much quicker than installing, 100 piles. Another factor to consider are the site and soil conditions. There's obstacles to work around or difficult, tight access or other restrictions. It can affect the install process. So let's assume that the site and soil conditions are good and present no major challenges. How fast is a helical pile install? Our crew here at Post Tech Moncton can generally install anywhere from 20 to 30 piles per day. If your project only needs 10 piles, then we'll probably be in and out in a few hours. If your project needs 100 piles, it could take, a few days. In any case, you can build on a helical pile foundation immediately after install. There's no cure time, no waiting after the pile is installed. You can build on them right away. Of course, like I mentioned before, these timelines can be affected by factors outside of anyone's control. That said, even in a challenging scenario, you'll find a helical pile foundation is much faster than other solutions. So, time for today's top tip. How does this affect your build? Let's take a look. If speed is a key factor in your project, here's something super simple you can do to help expedite the foundation installation process. Apply for a utility locate as soon as possible. Utility locates are required for any kind of deep foundation install, and that includes concrete. Once you apply, they'll identify any buried infrastructure you should be aware of. This doesn't include buried lines that have been privately installed, however, such as power running to a shed or water lines for a pool. So make sure you identify those as well if it's your property. It can take several days to a week for utility locates to be processed, and the foundation work can't begin until it's completed. So getting this process started early can save you delays later on. Here at Post Tech Moncton, we take care of those utility locates, so the earlier you contact us in the process, the better. We'll take care of all that for you. Really hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for joining me on the Pile Drive. If you liked what you saw, drop a comment below, give us a like, share this video around for anyone that you think would find it helpful, and we'll see you next time on the Pile Drive.